EOE, sturdy crafted stainless steel construction. German 3D relief technology, strong honeycomb pattern, German welding process. Stainless steel comes close to indestructible. Honeycomb structures for easy release. 100% free of PFAS, PFOA, Gen X, APEO, lead. Cook any food you want. Perfect browning and searing of food. Stir-frying vegetables. Honeycomb structures last 5 times longer than traditional non-stick coatings. Frying steak. Honeycomb nonstick, self-separating nonstick. Oven safe and compatible with all stovetops. Easy to clean up and dishwasher safe. The tough coating does not drop chips. Heats quickly and evenly. EOE.